Wait a minute. Do you know Nike has also collaborated with PlayStation? If you don't know, now you know. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am Soansh and today we want to talk about 10 world's most expensive sneakers as of now. And वो इतने expensive हैं that you can actually get a 2 to 3 BHK house in India. And I'm really excited to share that with you guys. And आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पर क्या चल रहा है? So actually मैं थोड़ा shock कर रहा था. So let's just start. Okay, so let's just start with the number 10 first. So on number 10 we have Jordan 1 Retro Highs Off-White Chicago. So this was basically a collaboration between Nike and Off-Whites, and you know how much hype these Off-Whites are, and obviously if it's in Chicago then the game is over. So if you see this pair, the retail price of this sneaker was $190. That comes out to be nearly 14,000 rupees in Indian currency. And if we talk about the current market price, it's almost $5,500. That comes out to be nearly 4 lakh rupees. 4 lakh rupees. And this is the cheapest one in the list, trust me on that. Moving on number 9 we have Jordan 1's Retro Dior. So it was a collaboration between Nike and Dior, and if you know, Dior is a really premium brand. So the retail price of this sneaker was $2,000. That comes out to be nearly 1,40,000 rupees, and it's a very recent launch of 2020. But the current market price of this sneaker right now is $10,000 approximately, and if you convert it into Indian rupees, it comes out to be nearly 8 lakh rupees. Crazy, right? So moving on number 8 we have Nike Dunk SB Low. What a dunk! So this is basically the name of the sneaker, and as you can see, this actually you feel like saying what a dunk to them. So the retail price of this sneaker was $120. That comes out to be nearly around 10,000 rupees in Indian currency. But the current market price for this sneaker is $11,000. That comes out to be nearly 9 lakh rupees. 9 lakh rupees for this pair. I don't know what to say about this, but this is how it is. On number 7 we have a really special player. I think it's something really close to my heart as well. So if you don't know, Kanye West was previously associated with Nike, and in collaboration to that they actually came up with this pair, which is called Nike Air Yeezy 2 Red October. Just have a look at it. So the retail price of this sneaker was $250. That comes out to be nearly 21,000 rupees. But the current market price, which is definitely going to be really high, as it is a it's one of a kind of a thing. So it is $12,000. That comes out to be nearly 10 lakh rupees. Trust me, I think this is even worth it, honestly. Wait a minute. Do you guys know Nike has also collaborated with PlayStation? Listen to this. So on number 6 we have a collaboration that took place between Nike, Travis Scott and PlayStation. It's a very recent collaboration which happened when PS5 was launched. So most of you might also have not heard about this. So this pair was limited to just 5 people, and this was given out to Ripples. And the current price of this sneaker is $15,000. So when you convert this $15,000, it comes out to be nearly 30-40 lakh rupees. So guys, we have come half the way. Stay tuned. In the end of the video, I'm going to give you a small hint about the next video. I think that you all guys will love. So moving on number 5 we have Jordan 4 Retros Undefeated. Honestly, I don't really like this pair at all. Who am I to say this? But seriously, that's my own opinion. I don't like them pretty much. But the current market price of this sneaker is $20,000. I don't know what it is, but still it's $20,000. And if you convert it to INR, so if you convert it to Indian rupees, it is almost 15 lakh rupees. Almost 15 lakh rupees. So on number 4 we have a Jordan 4, but it's not a regular Jordan 4. It's basically a collaboration between Nike and Eminem. It actually sounds itself so good. So if you can see the pair, it's something really attractive, really unique. So if you talk about the current market price for this sneaker, it is almost $25,000, and that too, I'm telling you, average. It can go even beyond that. So if you convert it to Indian rupees, it is almost 19 lakh rupees. 19 lakh rupees. Crazy, right? So moving on number 3 we have again a Jordan 4, but it was a collaboration between Nike and Wahlburgers, if I'm saying it right. So basically, I don't know much about this collaboration, but people say Wahlburger is basically a food joint chain in US, and it's really hyped up. So this was actually launched in 2018, if I'm not wrong. This greenish thing is really attractive. So the current market price of this sneaker is also really sick. It is $30,000. That comes out to be nearly 22 lakh rupees. 22 lakh rupees guys. I feel इतने में तो किसी छोटे शहर में एक फ्लैट वगैरह आ जाएगा. So on number 2 we have a sick collaboration that actually took place between Nike and Travis Scott. It's again a Jordan 4 retro Travis Scott, purple friends and family. Just look at this pair. It's so dope. And just you can see this Cactus and Jack written. Trust me man, trust me, it's a dope sneaker. The current market price of this sneaker is $35,000, and if you put it into Indian rupees, it is almost 26 lakh rupees. And the best part is guys that you might be thinking why it's so hyped up or something, who might be buying these, but collectors actually pay such huge amount for just for putting these sneakers in their collections, and trust me, that's how it is. So moving on to the number one, like our channel, we have Nike Air Mag with us. It's one of a kind sneaker. If you just have a look at it, it has such a futuristic design. Just have a look at it, how cool it looks. Honestly, if you guys don't know, this was the first auto lacing shoe that came out. So you just need to put your feet inside and it will auto lace itself. By the way, fingers crossed, I know somebody who has this pair. So if things work out, someday we'll bring this on our channel, fingers crossed. So let's just talk about the pricing first. So the price of this sneaker, I'm telling you on the lower side, it's $65,000. If you convert it into Indian rupees, it comes out to be nearly 50 lakh rupees guys. 50 lakh rupees. It's a big amount, but this is how it is. This is how the sneaker industry, sneaker collectors work. So this is how it is guys. And talking about the hint about the next video, so I'm gonna tell you it's 24th today and the pair has launched today itself, and your brother has actually coped it. So tell me in the comment section if you know what's coming up, and I feel that this would have given you a really different perspective about the sneaker industry. So thanks for watching guys, and I had a great time shooting this. Take care.